Hey everyone, today let's talk about EasyAIBridge. Imagine if you could analyze your data, create reports, and build charts, all without writing a single formula or query. This is exactly what EasyAIBridge is designed for. It is a smart, user-friendly platform that allows you to work with your data simply by asking questions in natural, everyday language. No SQL, no coding, and no technical background required. Just type what you want, the same way you would speak to a colleague. Here's how it works. First, upload your data. You can import Excel files, CSV files, or connect your Google Sheets directly. The system instantly reads and understands the structure of your data, preparing it for analysis without requiring any setup from you. Once your file is loaded, you can start using the feature called Smart Ask. This is the heart of Easy AI Bridge. Instead of writing complex formulas, you simply ask questions like show me last month's revenue or maybe compare product sales across regions. Within seconds, the system generates clear results, tables, summaries, or visuals, whatever best fits the question you asked. One of the standout advantages is that the tool also has what they call gap filling intelligence. This means if your dataset is incomplete, the system can make reasonable estimates using patterns and domain knowledge. So you still get meaningful insights, even from imperfect data. As your questions become more detailed, Easy AI Bridge keeps up effortlessly. You can explore trends, segment information, compare time periods, or drill down into specific areas of your data, all in plain English. And when you're ready to share your findings, the platform makes exporting incredibly simple. You can download your results as PDF, Excel, or even clean HTML for web or internal reports. This makes it ideal for business presentations, client meetings, and internal dashboards. Finally, all of this is built on enterprise grade security. Your data is encrypted, not stored permanently on the servers, and never used to train AI models. So you get powerful AI insights without compromising privacy. Easy AI Bridge turns everyday business users into confident data analysts. Whether you are working on finance, sales, marketing, operations, or any other area where data matters, this tool gives you the power to explore your information freely, naturally, and accurately. Thank you for watching.